The next attribute in the model binder is FromHeader. In case we are sending some data in the header of the HTTP request, then we can force our application to read that data by using the FromHeader attribute. Let's see how to use this FromHeader in the application. Let's remove this data from here and let's open the header. Let's say I want to send some custom data in the header. Then I have to pass the key over here. Let's pass its value. Now to get this data from the header, we have to use FromHeader attribute in the action method. Let's see how to use that. Over here we have to use FromHeader and we have to assign the type. The type of the value is a string and we have to give it a name. What is the name? The name is developer. Like this. We can update the logic from here. Now let's run this application. The application is running and let's send the data from the postman. Just hit this send button. Let's see what we got in this developer parameter. Here we have the value from header. So by using this from header, we are forcing our application to get the data from the header. We can use multiple from header attribute in the same action method. So let's say for example, we are passing two values in this header like this, and here we can assign the value. Then we have to add one more parameter in the action method and we have to map that parameter to this header. Let's see how to do that. So let's add one more parameter and this time let's use the FromHeader attribute. Send the new request with both of these values. So let's see what we got over here. In the course you can notice that we are having the second value and in the developer we are having the first value. So this is how you can use multiple FromHeader in your single action method. Remember, you can also combine all other attributes that we have discussed in the previous videos. By combining all of them, you can map your data from the target location.